I'm 9 First Morning meteorologist Sherry Hughes. Thanks for clicking on and good morning to you. Well, once again today we are going to see the chance for some showers and storms. It will be more spotty during the first part of the day, and I think we have a chance of seeing some scattered development as we go through the late afternoon. The Cincinnati, greater Cincy area, tri-state under a marginal. That's the lowest level risk of maybe picking up a strong to severe storm. Damaging winds are the greatest threat there, but you can see this yellow area from Green Bay to St. Louis. That's going to be the major focal point for really some heavier storm coverage across the region. For us today, we are going to start very muggy. Those temperatures in the lower 70s, but the air temperature feeling at least 3 to 4 degrees warmer because of all the moisture. By noon, we should be in the mid 80s to near 87 by around 1 o'clock. 90 the forecast high, and will be from the early afternoon through the evening that we see the best chance for showers and storms to develop. In fact, let's look at this future clouds and radar. You can certainly see how we'll have waves of energy by Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday night, we should be seeing things settle down. Here's this front, still yet not to get through. Even though we're not seeing showers break out on Thursday morning, I do believe that that will be the case for many areas along that boundary before it passes. It doesn't move through until Thursday, keeping the chance of more widespread showers in the forecast for Thursday, and even a chance of some rain behind this system with another wave of energy, a disturbance for Friday. So yes, unsettled weather and very warm and humid with high temperatures anywhere from the upper 80s to the mid 80s as we go through the next few days.